It seems like most people with a lot of money in the US have iPhones, which means they have Apple Pay.
One method the Fed is considering is issuing digital wallets to Americans directly, or through commercial banks or other financial service providers.
In the US, the aggregate cost of making retail payments ranges from 0.5% to 0.9% of GDP. Digital currencies would reduce those costs. It also means that more people could have access to electronic payment.
Did you know in 1966, the Bank of Delaware launched a debit card program as an alternative to having cash or a checkbook? In 2014, Apple Pay was introduced as an alternative to credit and debit cards. Yes, you are right, Google Pay did come before that back in 2011. You probably only use MetaMask, but have you looked at the other mobile cryptocurrency wallets out there? GM Web3 Explorers, Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through the metaverse as your no-shill resource. Digital wallets are here, digital wallets are there, digital wallets everywhere. It makes you think about our digital identity coming online. How will we keep track of it all? Quick background for you is I had my first interaction with crypto back in 2017 and was more of an observer of the space as opposed to now being an active participant and one that covers this creating content. There is a difference between hardware wallet aka cold wallet and software wallet aka hot wallets. For this video we'll cover the latter and address the most frequently used wallets, a look at NFT marketplaces, and focus on Uniswap's mobile wallet. You probably see another Web3 protocol showing their new cryptocurrency wallet, telling you it's different from the rest, but then you try it out and it is completely the same as others. Let's do a quick, less than 60 seconds intro to what a cryptocurrency wallet is for those that's new and not yet subscribed to this channel. Basically, a wallet for your cryptocurrency ranging from well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it holds tokens like Uniswap or meme coins like Pepe. Cryptocurrency wallets also have the ability to show your NFTs depending on when you came onto the scene. Wallets contain a public key, which is the wallet address, and private keys needed to sign cryptocurrency transactions. Anyone who knows the private key can control what you have inside the wallet. So remember this, not your keys, not your crypto, and never share your seed phrase. Never ever. For this specific cryptocurrency wallet, one that you're most likely aware of is MetaMask as your go-to software wallet. Not to be confused with Mozilla's Fox logo, MetaMask allows you to store and manage account keys, broadcast transactions, send and receive ERC20, ERC721, or ERC1155, basically tokens or NFTs. You can securely connect to decentralized applications, aka dApps, through a compatible web browser. Think of this as you sign in with your Google account, but this would be signing in with your Ethereum address. Then there is Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase being one of the largest and well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the US in case you didn't notice. Coinbase Wallet stores all of your cryptos and NFTs as well as support for other tokens and dApps. What Coinbase has unveiled is Wallet as a Service, a set of developer tools that make setting up a digital wallet as easy as creating a username and password. The goal is to make Web3 tech more approachable for both companies and consumers. Coinbase is also launching its own Ethereum Layer 2 network called Base, which we could cover in a future video. The company is offering both Base and Wallet as a service as a package deal to customers and is working with several large companies to offer product. I do think this will be a better fit than their approach at creating an NFT marketplace a while back, which I'm not sure if anyone has checked up on Coinbase's NFT marketplace. Speaking of which, NFT marketplaces, which felt like an open sea of different JPEGs that looks rare, now seems like a blur of different farmers. You probably noticed that the allure and magic of the up only of animal pictures is long gone. You're the real MVP for still watching this video as we cover NFTs, tools, and trends. Now, NFT marketplaces was a hot debate as newcomers tried to take away volume from OpenSea. What happened is that the aftermath of wash trading and the disappearance of royalties, which was the early buy-in for artists and creators alike, are now gone for now, and a debate that will continue to be brought up in the future discussions as this space continues to mature. As of now, according to Alchemy, a Web3 developer platform, there are 96 NFT marketplaces, not including ones that is native to projects. Notable ones from the top of mind are OpenSea, LooksRare, X2Y2, Blur, Magic Eden, Nifty Gateway. Actually, I'll have to stop because I could probably list out more than I'd like to admit that I know of. But why subject yourself to going to a specific one unless you know what you want to farm? Blur's Airdrop Season 2. Why not use an aggregator that searches across all the top NFT marketplaces? Allow me to introduce Uniswap, the leading decentralized finance aka DeFi exchange in its new form. It is more than just a way to swap different tokens or more. They now have the ability to be an NFT aggregator, searching across marketplaces like OpenSea, LooksRare, and Blur, to name a few. First, let's rewind back to Genie back in November 2021. Genie is an aggregator protocol that connects users to various decentralized NFT marketplaces, allowing them to buy, sell, and trade NFTs in one transaction. Genie Swap and Genie List are two products that facilitate this process. Then, in March 2022, Genie 2.0 introduces a new browsing experience, easier purchasing and gas saving up to 40%. Users can share their purchases with the world, and upcoming features include rarity rankings, gas optimizations. Now, few months later, in June 2022, Uniswap acquired Genie. Then in November of that year, their new NFT aggregator is the Google search for NFT trading on Uniswap. Now, for more information about Genie and its early looks, we did a video on that you could check out if you want to. Uniswap Labs leads as the DeFi exchange and now has their sights set on being the #1 NFT aggregator, which in my opinion, they already are. What more can they build in Web3 infrastructure to help onboard the next explorers? What about a digital wallet? Which brings us to the plethora of cryptocurrency wallets from Bitsky, Rainbow, MetaMask, or Coinbase wallet, to name some. You have to wonder if there will be one wallet to rule them all. I was actually extremely excited to try out the Uniswap wallet as soon as it came available. First look at the rating in Apple's App Store, coming in at 4.6 out of 5 stars. Uniswap released their mobile wallet designed to make it easier to buy, swap, and store cryptocurrencies. The wallet features data and tracking tools to help users stay on top of their trading activity. Their self-custody wallet makes it easier to not just purchase different cryptocurrency, but also the ability to do it on different networks like Arbitrum, Polygon, or Optimism. That was one of the first things I tried, as I wanted to purchase ETH, not just native to Ethereum, but trying it out on different layer 2s that are available. MoonPay made it possible by partnering with Uniswap so you can buy crypto with a card or bank transfer. By integrating with MoonPay, Uniswap has enabled users to deposit directly into their wallets. Web3 bull or bear market will have a lot of the same copy pasta products. You can bet that we'll cover it here. Even in different Web2 platforms like Navy Federal or PayPal, you see the use of the word digital wallet. Different financial services like Cash App, Venmo, Zelle integrate a wallet of sorts in the future. I mean, look at Apple recently announcing an Apple Card savings account with a 4.15% interest rate. That's more than Barclays, Wells Fargo, or Chase combined. So digital wallets will be the norm in my point of view. When it comes to Web3, there's a lot going on and a lot to keep track of. Like, what about central bank digital currencies, aka CBDCs, or what is the future with stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies that are backed by fiat currencies? Will they be stable? Also, being able to track all your digital collectibles from NBA Top Shot moments to historical NFTs like CryptoPunks. Where will it be in different wallets? What will be the plan to say like one wallet is connected to your other wallet? It kind of makes you wonder what the future will be. One thing remains constant is that you will need to have a digital wallet to store them in. My suggestion is always to not just have a hot wallet, but also a hardware wallet. At a minimum, you need 3 wallet addresses that can be on the same one. Uno, a vault where your Grail NFTs and stacks sit. you connect and you do nothing, just transfer in and out of it. Dos, for the transacting, this one is where you would trade for buying and selling on marketplaces or reputable protocols that you want to interact with. And tres, the one to mint, meaning you can degen with this one on unknown sites and nothing of value is in this one. Stay safe out there. Remember to never share your seed phrase or connect to unknown sites. More and more cryptocurrency digital wallets will arrive. Best to use and utilize proven builders in this space, as well as a way to explore Web3. So what do you think of Uniswap's mobile wallet? Have you tried using Uniswap for buying or selling sweeping NFTs? Leave a unicorn emoji in the comments if you made it this far. Tap that thumbs up to bring back the bull market. And don't forget to sign up for the weekly newsletter in the description and subscribe if you haven't already. With Uniswap as a decentralized exchange, NFT aggregator, and now a mobile wallet, you should check out another protocol that merges DeFi with non-fungible tokens, giving you the ability to use your JPEGs as collaterals for a loan. And that is NFT-Fi. Check out that video to learn more.